Did you know that President Biden has made some changes to the White House already after Trump left? But he hasn't made any huge changes yet, just some minor ones. So after the inauguration, Biden became president and he went ahead and had the whole White House cleaned for $127,000. And $44,000 of that went to only cleaning the carpet. There's 132 rooms and a total of 55,000 square feet to clean. And part of the reason there was such an in-depth cleaning was because Trump had COVID. Biden also ordered for $1.2 million to go towards renovating a bathroom on the second floor of the East Wing. And part of the reason of that is that's where the First Lady, Jill Biden, that's where her office is. So she'd frequent the bathroom in those areas. So they went ahead and renovated it. Also, Biden picked a picture of Benjamin Franklin to be in the Oval Office to honor his respect for science, and because Biden has that in common. Trump previously had Andrew Jackson as the portrait on the wall, and that was changed out. At the time of Jackson's presidency, he supported slavery, and he had also signed to allow a treaty for the removal of Indians, the Indian Removal Act, which led to thousands of deaths. So therefore, Biden has chosen to decorate things in his Oval Office that he feels reflect his values and the things that he has respect for, including history. He'd like to improve the future, and he did double in history. He was a double major in history and political science for his bachelor's from University of Delaware. Biden also changed the rug in the Oval Office, where Trump previously had a tan rug with some green leaving around the edge. Biden replaced it for a bright blue rug, which has the presidential seal in the middle with a gold leafing on it, which reflects the sun. The Oval Office also has a very large desk, which the president sits at, which is called the Resolute. And President Trump had a little red button added to it, so when he pressed that, the servants would bring in a Diet Coke for him, because Trump loved Diet Coke. Well, Biden was looking at the button and thought, well, should I get rid of this or should I keep it? Well, he decided to leave it, and who knows, maybe he'll order peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So Biden's tried to keep it positive in there and tried not to remove as much as he can. Biden also has some statue of heads, which are called busts. He has one of Cesar Chavez, who is a former American civil rights leader and a farm labor union leader as well. So he has that set up in the Oval Office behind his desk. And he has 3 more busts throughout the office, one of Martin Luther King, one of Rosa Parks, and one of Robert Kennedy, as being a symbol of a future of a new nation, of a bright new nation. There are also more than 50,000 people who have signed an online petition petitioning the U.S. First Lady, Jill Biden, to please renovate and restore the Rose Garden, to install more flowers throughout. That area, the Rose Garden, is often used for presidents to present speeches. And people have asked for Jill Biden to restore it back to its former glory. Here's a picture of what it used to look like. It's a lot fewer flowers now. Trump's wife, the former First Lady, Melania Trump, she at that time had some flowers removed from the Rose Garden and removed some trees as well, so it was less colorful. I mean, it's only beginning, so who knows what else is coming.